Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, the line AB is 6 cm in length and is tangent to the inner one of the two concentric circles at point C. It is known that the radii of the two circles are integers. The radius of the outer circle is. So, the line AB is equal to 6 centimeters. Then AC is equal to BC is 3 centimeters, since perpendicular from center bisects. So if the radii of the inner and outer circles are R1 and R2 respectively, let these be the radii of inner and outer circles R1, R2. Then OCB is a right angle triangle. Let me join O and B. So OCB is a right angle triangle. Or R1 squared plus 3 squared is equal to R2 squared using Pythagoras theorem. Now using the triplets shortcut, if one side is 3 centimeters, then the other two sides will be 4 and 5 centimeters. Therefore, R2 is equal to 5 centimeters. So the radius of outer circle is 5 centimeter. That is, this is 5 centimeters. The next question is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 1 and p is equal to x to the power 4000 plus 1 by x to the power 4000, and q is the digit at units place in the number 2 to the power 2n plus 1, n being a natural number greater than 1, then p plus q is equal to, given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 1, we get x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, as x not equal to minus 1, x plus 1 will not be equal to 0. So we can multiply both the sides of this equation by x plus 1. So we get x plus 1 into x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. From here we get x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x cube is equal to minus 1. Now x cube into 1333 into x is equal to minus x. Since x cube is minus 1 and minus 1 to the power something odd is again minus 1, and the minus 1 into x gives us minus x. So x to the power 4000 is equal to minus x. Therefore p is equal to x to the power 4000 plus 1 by x to the power 4000 is equal to minus x plus 1 by minus x, that is equal to minus x plus 1 by x, which is equal to minus 1. Now let x is equal to 2, then q is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 2 plus 1 that is 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Here the units place digit is 7. Hence P plus Q is equal to minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 6. This is the required answer.